Linking your device to NordVPN is a straightforward process that ensures your internet connection is secure and private. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Create a NordVPN account. Visit the NordVPN website and sign up for an account. Choose a subscription plan that suits your needs and complete the registration process by providing your email and payment information. Step 2. Download the NordVPN app. Once your account is created, navigate to the download section of the NordVPN website. Select the appropriate version of the app for your device: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, etc., and download the installation file. Step 3. Install the app. Locate the downloaded file on your device and open it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the NordVPN app. Once installed, launch the app. Step 4. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Connect to a VPN server. After logging in, you will see a list of servers. Choose a server location based on your needs, for example, to access content from a specific country, and click the Connect button. Once connected, your device is now linked to NordVPN. By following these steps, you can easily link your device to NordVPN and enjoy a secure browsing experience.